Now the only reason I'm doing this, because this is personal work. No other reason would I do it this way. This is a leftover from the Crosby trip when the spark plug came out. This wire was part of the problem. That when I was started, it was out of real good. But once I would put it in gear and start driving, it would just start kind of trembling and shaking. So I had to buy some new wires. So it came in 3 in a pack for $50. So I knew once I seen that old one, I was gonna at least have to replace that one. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm not gonna replace the other 2 yet because I might as well go and get the other 3, spend that other $50. But no need of me doing that. I'm just gonna put this one in out because you can see how bad it is. That wire. First, I'm gonna kind of show you the route, and then I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna show it to you after assembly. I may add it in there and show it to you. This is where this was going. This is the last one on the back here. Put it back together, and it's gonna go follow those. So ones right here. That's gonna be that. It goes right here. This is the first one. First one. And then it goes right back there. And if you like what I'm doing, that it goes on, please like and subscribe. It's the perfect hole right there. The viewership is necessary for me to continue. I can reach it right here. That's the one that's going on. Now it's together. Hopefully you can see this on there. That's its route. It's in the first one. Coming on around. All the way around. And I'm not 100% sure if you can see it, but this is it right here.